Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into the spectacular world of Iron Gwazi at Busch Gardens, Tampa. This coaster was reborn from the legendary wooden coaster Gwazi. Get ready for a wild ride. Dive into a fully immersive 360-degree experience. Move your smartphone to look around. For the ultimate 360 degrees immersion, use a VR headset. Iron Gwazi in 360 degrees.
And a kid, and that lifting is so slow and being so young.
Awesome, right? What you just experienced was the front row experience. From here you see everything. How the train shoots into the almost vertical 91-degree drop at an incredible speed. You see the tracks tower in front of you and the world around you blurs. This is the pure, unadulterated adrenaline rush you can only feel in the very front. But now comes the back row perspective, and that's a whole other story. Due to the so-called whiplash effect, the rear of the train is catapulted into the curves and over the hills with even more momentum. Here you feel the forces even more intensely and are literally pushed into your seat. Especially during the 12 airtime moments, where you are lifted out of your seat, you feel it much more extremely in the back. Hold on tight, here we go. We hope you had as much fun as we did. The Iron Gwazi is a masterpiece. With a height of 63 meters, 206 feet, and a top speed of 122 kilometers per hour, 76 miles per hour, it's one of the fastest and steepest hybrid coasters in the world. The best part is the story behind it. It was reborn from the old wooden coaster Gwazi. A perfect example of how Rocky Mountain construction can turn something old into something new and even better. It's no wonder the coaster was named Best New Roller Coaster of 2022 by Amusement Today. Let us know in the comments which perspective you liked better, the front row or the back row. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos.